front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to click on Device Unlock and select Screen Lock over here. Finally, you need to pick one of those locking methods by clicking on the best one for you: pattern, pin or password. Then create it, repeat it to confirm it, and when you finished, select Done at the bottom. Then answer this question by clicking on one of those options to set up the best one for you. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show sensitive content when unlocked? Show sensitive content only when unlocked? Or don't show notifications at all? Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!